Hey y'all, this is John with Catfish Hunters TV, back at you with another one. Today we're on the lake in less than ideal conditions. Wasn't supposed to be windy at all today, but as usual the weatherman doesn't have a clue. So we're spot locked, kind of nosing to the wind at the top of this hole right here under this bridge. So anyway, I thought something exciting might happen. But I went up, tried to get some fresh bait, didn't get any. So we're using some frozen bait, just going to see how this does. We've got no current. It's like running 7,000, which is nothing. If we don't get any bites doing this, I might try to drag up through the back of this hole and then come out the front of it, or a little flat over here I might try to drag. Alright, stay tuned, see if we get anything today. Pretty dry, it is. Yeah, you gotta go to the left for me.
Alright, you are recording. I'm going left.
Guess he is deciding he wants to come up on this side of the boat, not on the other side of the boat. Grips. Oh, she threw off the head bait. That was a shad head. That's what she ripped off. Alright. Hey, nice sized fish. It's recording. I see it flashing. Gone. Peace. I swear, last time the first fish was 20 something for me, and the second fish, your first one, was 40. Is that what it's going to do? That one I had was definitely 20s. You going to double me up, babe? She's like, nope, I'm going to triple it.
I'm just waiting for my other rod to get snagged up.
That's a fish. Ah, come on. Oh, loose. Feel it? feel anything on it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That other line.
I'm working, babe. Okay, let him have some lunch. Okay, wait. Taking some drag. Nice. Okay. Is he gone? Okay, real.
It
Now
ain't
drop
going
the tip.
anywhere.
Drop the tip. Oh, I got it. Another big one, babe. You gotta undo the line for me, though. Yep. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I think you might have broke your personal best again.
Bring it down.
Okay. You can for a minute, and I'll point it back up when it's time. Oh, trying to break the tip of the rod. Rolling. Ugh. This big girl saying like and subscribe for more content. No. 39 and then so not quite, but pretty close. Still a big ass fish, babe. Are you want to try to pick it up? Let me get a little video of it. Hold on, let me get it out this way for you. You can bite on my hand all you want. You don't hurt me. Let me get the camera because I want to get a video.
Put your mouth.
They're short.
I swear it's like the puppies when they eat something they're not supposed to have. You gotta grip on tight to help me lift it.
39 pounds. Big girl. Big fat catfish. Look at it. Look at it. Like a boss. You want to let it go out in the water? I'll get your release.
Oh gosh. Don't take me with you.
Oh.
Run.
Great job, baby.
Thanks. Next.
So you didn't quite double me, but you're pretty close.